Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll go over some 3D printing items. Hey guys, welcome back. Glad you could join me today. Recently I had a couple people message me and throw in a request for some more 3D printing videos, so thought I'd go over a couple of things today and some experiments I've done lately. In between all the high altitude balloon projects, I made some time to work on my InMove robotic arm, which I linked to a brain interface, and I'm going to have another video coming up on this. I'm doing a little bit of work on the code to optimize this as a, well, what I'm thinking is a medical recovery type tool for, say, stroke victims or basically anyone who can't move their extremities to see a physical response via brainwaves, and we'll go over that in a future video. But I've printed some items and let's have a look at them. So what I've been doing lately, I did a little bit of tweaking on my Solidoodle 3D printer, and this was the first run after I did some calibrations on the extruder settings. I've always been over extruding a little bit, and for quite some time now, and I've just been meaning to get back to get that fixed. So this is a Raspberry Pi case. This is my original, and the original ended up not working out very well, so I printed this one, which is pretty good. And then I thought I'd go into trying something I've never tried before. So what I found online was an Arduino Nano case. So this is the case. We'll start with this case and see if we can get a look at it here. This case I 3D printed all in one piece. Downloaded it from Thingiverse, and it is a case for the Arduino Nano. I haven't removed any of the flashing in there yet. It's a little locking mechanism on it. 0.3mm layer height, and you can see a little bit of layering here, but it worked. This is printed as one unit. This is not assembled with a pin or anything like that. This is right off the printer, able to have a hinged motion, so that worked out pretty cool. And then what I did is I went to a 0.2mm layer height, and it gave me a little bit better result. And with the new calibrations, you can see I had a little bit of stringing here, so I'm still a little over extruding, but all in all, really happy with the results. So this fits an Arduino Nano. It has room to get the USB, and they had designed a push button into it. So I went down to 0.1mm, and at 0.1mm layer height, it's pretty difficult to see the layers on this model, other than you can see a little bit of Z banding on the model. That's because of my Z lead screw on my printer is a coarse thread. But all in all, it turned out pretty good. I could have done a little higher fan speed, but this is the kind of stuff that is super handy. You need an Arduino case, just hit go on it, just hit print, and this is the result. So again, I didn't remove any of the flashing. The slicer program put some extra supports in there that shouldn't have been, but all printed as one unit, hinged, fully functional, nice and smooth. And this is me trying to rock it side to side, almost no lateral play in it. Very impressive. Just simply amazed with what we can do with these 3D printers. But I have another really exciting project coming up. It'll incorporate the Pi possibly, but a whole lot of printing. My printer's been running for 3 days now in the evenings, and I'm going to show you that project. It is an extension of the InMove robot. So look forward to that video coming up, and thanks for joining today, guys.